Testing, testing. Okay, back to work. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. Fragilities, thank you. Just working on my little game jam title. Hang on, let me just get started. Just working on a little simple arcade style game for the Opera GX game jam. And okay, there you go. It's the game is not like nowhere close to done, but yeah, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I think I need to have some AI behaviors for sure. So earlier in the day off stream, I've been adding some feedback, right? Like, you know, when you shoot at enemies, you can see the flashing and stuff. So that's what I've been doing. Still really primitive. No game whatsoever at the moment. No game whatsoever. Perhaps I'll like do some scoring. Let me see. How about 100 points for every enemy killed? Right, 100 points for every enemy killed. That seems fair, right? That seems fair. I'm gonna write an on event handler here. Excuse me. I think my allergies are acting up. Okay. So I have this. Listeners. Let's add the game manager itself to be a listener. I'll just put an ID. Hello, Captain Blade. How's the video game? Oh yeah, it's working okay. Oh, that reminds me. You know what? Let me play our game right now. That reminds me. I'm gonna try it in a different browser. Let's see if it's okay. Oh yeah. I was aware you're talking about my game. I just like suddenly recall that I wanted to test your game. Oh hey, Colosol, what's up? I actually played a little bit earlier in the day. I still had that problem, which is why I'm like trying a different browser now. Is it a 1.1 build? Oops, it should be because it's I'm playing it directly from browser. Eh? Yeah, 0.1.1, right? Yeah, it's this one. Let me try again. One point oh was broken. Ah, I see. Whoop! Almost died. Oh freak! Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Are you using the Opera GX browser? No. Maybe I should do that. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Opera GX, right? Let me try that. Bum 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 bum. I feel so much smoother here. GX pretty great. Oh, there you go. Pacing feels better, definitely. Almost 500. Almost there. Yeah, it works. Awesome. Oh, freak. Damn it. I blinked. Cool, cool, cool. Only reason you don't move to GX is your bookmarks and Chrome. Ah, right. Been using it since you first heard of it. Ah. Game event. I'm listening to the enemy death event. For every enemy death, I will add a little bit to the score. Alright? Plus equal 100. How's that? Magic number. Or maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't be. Maybe I should not have the magic numbers there. Let me just put like a constant up here, maybe? Alright, score per kill equals to 100, something like that. That works too. Okay, what else? Okay, let's see if that works. Back in about half an hour, going to make breakfast. Awesome. Have a good one. Oh, it crashed. It crashed? Why did it crash? Oh, damn. Okay, I need to put this at the end. There you go. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Guess the score is working, sort of. Da, da. Yeah, it's not about winning or losing. It's about finishing the game. I think the learning experience from releasing a game is worth so much more. Seems to work fine. I mean, I can make this bounce a bit. Let me try. Probably should not be doing stuff like this. Should be focusing on gameplay rather than polish. But here I am. Score. Da, da. Miscellaneous. Yeah, man. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Will this work? Is my math correct? I hope it is. Okay, and then I will do something like this. 1.25, there we go. So every time I make a kill, I get score. The score text will, you know, do a little bit of an animation. Oh, it's broken. There we go, it's broken. Because my math is wrong. That's right. My math is wrong. Okay, I think this is the right one. Yeah, there we go. See that slight bouncing. I can make it be a bit more obvious. 1.5. There we go. 1.5. Yeah, I should prioritize key elements of my game, right? Yeah, totally. I'm not focusing on the right stuff. It's a bad habit of mine. After this, I will work on the AI, the enemy AI. That should bring me closer to having the gameplay done. At this point, there is no point for the player to jump, so I'll need to do something about that. Okay, Isn't the bullet shooting rate a bit too fast? Maybe. Yeah, but I'm I like really fast shooting rates. You know, a bit like the shoot ups in games like the shooting rate in shoot ups like Raiden or Strikers. Yeah, but of course it might affect the balance, so I will see how I can work that all in. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's have enemies. Right, I have an enemy's move. I need to figure out how to how to do this part. Let me plan it out. Alright, where is my pen? There we go, found it. Okay, there we go. You might release another small game pretty soon. You have a pretty fun idea you like to work on. Hey! What's that idea? Roll in, move to location, shoot, move to location again. Any will go to date. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Well, hang on. Okay, that's how it should look like. It's Pong, but the game slowly gets more evil and tries to make you lose. Ah, changing the game's physics and mechanics in a way. Pong with a twist. That could be interesting. Move location going back to itself. Move to location going back to itself. That means I may not want to shoot immediately. Okay. It's gonna be pretty short. Yeah, short is fine, right? Short and sweet, as they say. Short and sweet. Move count. How many times enemy has entered move state? Shot is pork, that's right. Shot is pork. Cheats to win. Game cheats. Yeah, that sounds cool. sounds pretty evil.
This is me at my most evil. Do your evil laugh.
Evil. Okay, so I'm lazy, so I'm just going to code the edges inside the state rather than coding it outside. Right, I already have it outside for def state. Okay, so move. If move count is more than one, where else? No, you know what? If it's equals to one, no, more than one, go to attack. Otherwise, I go back to itself. Let me think. Wait, I need to comment out this part first. In move, I'm supposed to select a location to move to, so target position, target location. Do I need a state machine for this game? Yeah, I suppose. I have a state machine here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm going to define a region in the game. Once again. Should I just use spawn area? Yeah, I'm just gonna use spawn area. No, maybe not. They give it a different color, maybe? Can I give it a different color? Oh yeah, I can. Oh wow. This will be the area where the enemies will move in. Move area. There we go. Yeah, I know, right? The colors thingy. I rarely use it. Doesn't the player just do 4 things? Walk, jump, shoot, and die. Yeah. And I implemented it as a FSM. The FSM is pretty simple. There you go. It's just idle, jump, run, and die. That's it. So this is my state machine. I just realized I have not included the death state into this state machine. I shall do it now. Date. There you go. Copy that ID and let's set the location. For these games, you just slam everything into the start event unless maybe for shooting. I mean, I tend to do that too, but I'm trying to I'm trying to code with a bit more structure, I suppose. Right, just as the way to test things out, you know, and maybe build some reusable code for the future. Easier to modify things, or at least, yeah, that's one of the problems I had with Jump Juboa. When I first started Jump Juboa, it was intended to be a really small thing. Like I even wanted to release it as a web game, but then the scope expanded, and my crappy code is still in there, and never got around to refactoring it. So it's some of the code in there is not very nice to work with. Do I have a HTML license? Yeah, I do. It's expensive. Oops. Oops. Oh man, what am I doing? What's up with the keyboard? Okay, there we go. Divided by distance. There we go. Unit vector. Technically, you have the license now for the gem. Yeah! Make a web game in 5 days and abuse the gem license. Yeah, I agree. It's time. Acceleration. Velocity. Oops. Why isn't the Control F working? What the hell? Oh my god, Control F is not working. Game Maker, what's going on? You wish I had console ports, that would be nice. Console ports? Oh, the console license? Oh man, that is freaking expensive. And it lasts only 1 year. So expensive. Bum, bum, bum. Excuse me. Let me think. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. What song is this? Dungeon Hearts. Viking guitar. How do I do this? Let me get a drink of water. Let me think. Check if destinations reached. I'll just do a quick hacky way of doing this. Hello Kalazor, what's up? Welcome back. How was your breakfast? Oh. I'll use 10 as the buffer. 10 should be big enough. It was thick. I see. Try gammon today to see how it is. Just thick bacon. Yes, that's exactly what it tastes like. I see. Bacon. Bacon. More than 50 pixels away. Find a target location at least 50 pixels away. Magic number, but it's fine. It's fine. I've tried Gammon before. Nope. I don't even know what that is. The first thing that came to my mind when I see Gammon was Ganon, as in Ganondorf. I'm sorry. I have not experienced much of the world, I'm afraid. Ooh, a picture. Let me see. Ah, how do you prepare this? Do you steam it? How about fry it? Yummy. Same as bacon. I see. Stir fry then. Yum. Takes longer to cook, I imagine. You have returned from lunch. Hello. In an hour's time, it will be my turn for dinner. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I will do this part later. Late. You think you're going to make your own game engine? Wow! How much time do you intend to dedicate to making the engine? If you're interested, there's this YouTube series of a guy making a game, making his game from scratch, using C++. I think C or C++. I don't know which language, which one he used, but used by this channel. Well, actually, I don't know. Wait, let me think. Yeah, their channel is called Molly Rocket, I think, and the series is called Handmade Hero. You can check that out. Handmade Hero. Okay. C, yes. C sucks. There are people who will defend it to the death. C++ supremacy. Direct X. No, no direct. Direction X. Direction Y. Should be fine, right? Clamp speed. Ba 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 da, ba 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 ba. Da da da. Da 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 da. You look more into it. It looks like framework just depends on what you want to use. Love 2D, Lua, Mono game, C Sharp, Pygame, Python, etc. etc. Yeah, I guess you can go even lower level if you want. Right, lower level meaning you have to do the windowing yourself. Right, you have to choose a rendering API, OpenGL, DirectX, Vulkan, or you do software rendering. Yeah, but that one is more cumbersome. But imagine if you use Love 2D, they provide like their own rendering functions, right? So that can help. Monogame allows for cross-platform porting to consoles and stuff. I used to work in the studio on a part-time basis. That uses monogame. Make a game engine with game maker. But game maker is the engine. Da, da, da. Okay, let's see if I exceed the speed. Point distance. Engine squared. Monogame allows for cross-platform porting, but there is a lot of work if you actually want to port. I think. It's like we use the Hex Fixer, right? And Hex allows for cross-platform porting to PS4 as well, right? But John actually had to take one whole year just to do the porting, so it's possible, but the work involved is still a lot. It's still scary. You see one guy called and his stuff looks super solid. Oh. Lua programming, that's cool. Isn't that with any engine though? Sorry, what's that a response to? I mean porting takes time thingy. I suppose, but Hex Fixel. Well, John has to write a lot of the rendering backend by himself, right? Compared to say my experience with using Game Maker, a lot of it is just pressing a button and changing some of the designs to fit the touchscreen, stuff like that. So the focus is very different. I think my point is that I imagine with the lower level frameworks, lower level as in like lesser features closer to the hardware. With the lower level frameworks, I imagine porting will require more effort on the programmer's end. I believe. I could be wrong, but uh, I think that's the case. Unless you're using something like Unreal Unity or Game Maker, right? They're all on the same level. You thought Celeste was made in no, yeah, it is in mono game. In fact, the prototype was made in Pico 8. That's crazy, right? Have you seen the latest news about Unity? They say if you need to port to consoles, you need Unity Pro now. Let me see if I can find it. Unity console port. Seen it? Oh, okay. But that still costs money, right? Point distance. More than max speed. There we go. Let's clamp it. Speed more than max speed. Oh, but what does that mean that you want to make your own engine? Does it mean that you want to switch your, like bring your current project over to the new framework? Speed more than max speed. Speed more than max speed. There you go. Hiring somebody to port it for. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I think if you're able to port to console from Love 2D, it will likely require C++. That will defeat the whole point of learning lore. Or C, whichever Love uses. I see. You're getting a third party. Sounds like a solid plan. Because then there is this whole issue with negotiating the contract and whatnot. We had a third party port Space Jack to the Switch for us. It wasn't the best experience. Yeah, but we were naive, we do not know how to go through contracts. We do not know like what are the important stuff to look out for, what questions to ask. Naive. Divide by speed. Okay. Then Oops. It'll be the same process because you don't think they have console ports yet. Yeah, I believe for Godot you have to approach a third party to do that also. But are you shifting your shooting idea to a new platform? Sorry, to a new framework? Is that your intention? Ooh, what the? Chinese? What? Since when did I switch over my keyboard to Chinese? What the what? That was weird. Keeps happening. I don't even type Chinese. Okay. You're going to do that Udemy course and see how you like it, and then decide from there. Most likely as you build a lot of your stuff from ground up in Game Maker anyway. Right, right. Cool, cool. Let me change state back to itself. Let's see what happens. Have I heard of Move of Die? Yes. 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 That one is written using Love 2D, right? I've seen that one. Lots of splattering effects and whatnot. Very cool looking game. Let's try this. It's on that's on P4. P4. Or PlayStation 4. PS4? Okay, that seems to work. The moving about is working. But I need to make it wait. Oh, freak. God damn it. Okay, why is my... Oh, okay, there we go. Val Y. Come on. Got this wrong. It's supposed to be 1. PlayStation 4, nice. Woo! Woo! Let me think about this. Maybe I'll make it. Let me think. Maybe I'll make it such that it will keep moving from location to location until a certain point, then it will choose to attack. That way, I'll have more things to tweak, which allows me to make changes to include like difficulty progression. I think that could work. There's too many of them. Too many of them. Is it lagging? I hope it's not. Let me check. It should not be lagging. I'm pulling everything. Unless my pool is broken or what. Let me see. Let me run it again. They flying, yeah. With the course you'll learn how to do a shooting gallery game, a top-down shooter and a platformer, also web games and mobile games. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And a video on Git. That's good. Hello, Kaiser. What's this game gonna be called? I have no idea. I don't know what to call this. This is supposed to be a game jam. So far I've only spent like what one and a half days on it. I don't know what it should be called. What should I call it? The frame rate is not very stable. I don't like it. Why is it so unstable? That's not good. Why is it so unstable? Hey, thanks! I still don't really have much of the gameplay up though. It's a bit troubling. Oh goddamn! Why is the frame rate is suffering? How do I profile this? I forgot. Kalazar would know. Hang on. Profile. Sounds like hardware issue. Oh no! It could be my code. I might have done something. Because I changed the way I coded certain things. I might have made a mistake somewhere. Run in debug mode. Okay, thank you. Let me do a clean. Let me see where it's spending the most time in. And then pause. Got it. I'll just wait a little bit. Instances. Got it. I realized the frame rate drops when I start killing enemies. So I have a lot of pools for them. So maybe the pooling is not efficient. Pause. Profile, there we go. Is it this one? Other. Start profiling. Oh, but I have to run the game, right? So I rerun the game. And then play from the debugger. Oh, oops. Hang on, let me try again. What's going on? I have to pause first, okay. Oh, I can start profiling now. That's cool. Okay, I'll wait for it to stabilize a little. It's already not stable, what the hell? Is it because I'm streaming? Oh, I need to drop to 53. I saw it at 53 just now. 55, 54, I see it, I see it. Okay, I'll pause the profiling. Let's take a look. Tweening. Game Manager has the bulk of the load. Player create. What do they mean player create? Oh, because all the code is written in create. Okay, okay. Which script exactly? Damn it. Call count. Is this like the average? Average time per frame? Or is this captured from a single frame? Let me close fraps first. Wow, draw sprite tout apparently is kinda expensive. Why is the draw sprite tout so expensive? 12%. Enemy. Let me think. What's so expensive about this? Let me think, let me think. Bum 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 bum. DS map find value. PS map find value. That's my FSM, right? My FSM uses a map, right? Yeah, there we go. Are the maps that expensive? Can't be, right? No way. Ah, it's 1.6%, that's fine. 11 total up to 11. Point distance being 0.161. The problem is I do not know like which of the method I've created is the one that is expensive, eh? I imagine if I... Well, the truth is I'm not going to have so many. I'm not going to have so many spaceship in the end. But let me try running it without updating the FSM. It runs here fine. Oh no, it is lagging. Ooh, it's too many of them. How many of that? How many is that? Okay, oh my god, it's lagging. Maybe it's my computer. Why is my Windows is dying on me? Holy cow. Oh, okay. Oh, I think it's the antivirus. Come on. Okay. Okay. Let me just double check some things. Yeah, DS map seems to occupy quite a bit. This one is scary. Look at this. I'm drawing in my game manager draw. There's one part where I draw the scan lines. The scan lines takes up what? 11%, 12%. So that's like what? 0.1. 0.1? 0.1 milliseconds, I see. I can afford 16. I can afford 16. Average values. What if I don't want average? Tick this to display all values as averages. Untick to display accumulated values. I see. Average cost per frame. Average core of 6.7 in the stack. To understand. Right, so if I do something like this, oh, my screen is frozen, what the hell, man. Give me a moment. Oh, it's still frozen. Let me fix it. Yeah, exactly, Amanda. My screen is frozen. Hello, how's it going? My screen is frozen. Let me fix it. There we go. I don't even know how long it's been frozen. A bunch of UFOs? Yeah, I'm testing something. Wait, just a moment. Let me bring out fraps again. Well, actually, I don't need fraps, right? I just need to bring up the... What do you call that? Debug overlay. Show debug overlay. True. I'll turn it off later. Yeah, I spawned too many and it lagged. It was hilarious. This is me not updating the FSM. It's in the thousands, right? The FPS. It's fluctuating a lot. Turn on the FSM for the ship. It could also be lagging because I'm like expanding the pool by a lot. Right, my pool is like increasing exponentially because I keep spawning the ship without stopping. That could be another reason. Or it could be that I'm streaming, that's why. I'm not stopping it. Yeah, I'm not stopping it yet. I'm not stopping it yet. It's still a work in progress, you see. Fix your code, that's why it's lagging. It's cause I keep hacking. I didn't hack this. This thing is done from scratch. I didn't hack anything. What you talking about? What's going on? I didn't hack anything for this. Let's wait it out a bit. I'm gonna let it run for a bit, right? And then shift this down. Oh freak! Okay, hang on. Shift this down. Okay. I'm not hacking. I'm not hacking. I don't even know what to fix. I don't even know what to fix. I did not hack anything. Right? I used okay, maybe it's the passing of messages. Right? Maybe it's the passing of message. No, but it cannot be. I only have a few events. Right? Um calling new on a few events every frame shouldn't be that expensive, I believe. Okay, you can see the frame rate dropping after I have all this spaceship in there. Dropping to 600, 300, 500. Why is it fluctuating so hard? So the rate part, what's the rate? Rate is very prominent, right? What's rate supposed to be? I think I know what's going on. I think I know what's going on. So I was waiting it out, right? If you notice, I was looking at the FPS, and then the frame rate has dropped to like a few hundreds, right? And then all of a sudden, right, the frame rate increases back to like 1000. I think it's because of my pooling. So my pool is completely naive, right? I do not keep track of what I did not keep track of what objects in my pool is not in use. So I'm constantly searching through the list, right, from the beginning to the end. So the more filled my screen is, right, the more time it takes to find a free object to spawn. So maybe that's it? Could it be? Maybe that's it? That still feels very unlikely though. I'm only spawning once per 3 seconds, right? No, yeah, that's unlikely. What's going on? What's going on? Is it cause I'm sure? I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. Could it be? Maybe. I mean, I bet if I run it in YYC, nothing will happen. if I run it in YYC, it should run fine. I don't know how many ships there is in the scene, but I wasn't expecting like 100 to even lag the thing. The link to Captain's game is in the Discord server. You can find it in game dev. Hang on, eh? This is YYC, so I don't think the frame rate will suffer. No, why am I testing this? I mean, I should test it on the actual platform I intend to deploy it on, right? Totally doing the wrong stuff. Let me run it. Oh, it doesn't show the thing. Oh, damn it. It's fine. I'll wait a bit and then we'll see how whether it kills the frame rate in the browser. In any case, I'm not supposed to have so many of the UFOs anyways. How many is out there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11. It seems really smooth, right? Is it VM? Maybe it's because I'm streaming stuff. No idea. Right, it seems pretty smooth in like when I compile it natively for Windows, it seems fine. When I compile it for HTML5, it seems fine. It's just the VM. Wait, might be too soon to assume. Let me try again. That seems fine, right? It seems silky smooth, right? Like it feels that way to me. Okay, then I'm not gonna worry too much about it until much later when it actually hurts me. Okay. But I might have to reevaluate certain things. Could it be the pool? It cannot be. It cannot be the pool because I'm not spawning every frame. Yeah. I'm not spawning every frame, right? Let me check. I'm not spawning every frame, right? Yeah, I'm not spawning every frame. I'm spawning every 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds. There is no final score. I'm gonna hit my current so much later. I'll be honest. I don't know what could be causing. Like, if there is if there is an actual performance issue, right? I don't know what's causing it. Like I know the pool is naively implemented, but it cannot possibly be the pool that is causing the performance issue, right? Something that you call every 3 seconds, it's not going to consistently be bringing down your FPS. It can't possibly do that. It's supposed to result in like certain spikes, right? If you call it every 3 seconds. So it cannot be that. Could it be the message bus? Possible, because I'm firing events every frame, but I only have 3 events. Let me check. You know what? I'm gonna check the message bus. I'm going to check the message bus. But I'm thinking I probably don't need to worry about it. Right here, right? This is the thing. I am going to... Let me think. Yeah, I'm going to... go to the message bus and I will check the size of my queue. Right, I'm going to check the size of my queue. Maybe if the queue is like really huge, then I might have made a mistake somewhere. Let me double check. ds underscore queue size. Right? Going to check this. Show debug message. Okay. Okay, let's try it out. Or add a UI saying face X. Yeah, actually that could help. Oops. I didn't even realize that I'm not running the game yet. I am dreaming. Oh, damn it. I want to check the console, right? I have to run it like this. Let me stop running, clean it. So how's your day? Amanda, you just woke up? Just look at this. It's firing 0 events. What? 0? That can't be right. Huh? Oh, right, yeah. That's right. I'm not firing events until I start shooting at people. Right. Let me check. Yeah, it's only like at most 2 events per frame. This cannot be the cause of the lag also. This cannot be the cause. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's outside factors. Maybe. I would like to think so. But I don't know. And I don't think I need to care about it at the moment. So let's just move on to gameplay. Was watching someone stream Code Vein. Nice. That's the anime Dark Souls, right? That's the one. Damn it, now I keep thinking about what the hell is wrong with this thing. I'm thinking it should be fine. It should be okay. Okay, it should be fine. Oh yeah, that happens. Especially if you switch between different platforms. I think there's a need to regenerate the texture itself. Yeah, happened to me. Like when I work in VM, for Windows, and then I switch over to HTML5. If I don't clean, all my textures are all going to be screwed. It's quite funny. Did I hear the plane sounds as well? Earlier in the day? I heard them earlier in the day. Okay, sorry. So where was I? I got sidetracked. Possibly trying to track down a non-existing problem. I got sidetracked. What was I gonna do? Enemies. It was just funny how it didn't even break the sprite, it just swapped. I see. Was the plane like flying really low or something? This was apparently really expensive. This line here, a single line here. I don't get why this is so expensive. Well, I mean, it was relatively expensive, right, compared to every other thing. Maybe it's natural. Maybe drawing is just more expensive. Okay, okay, what else? Right, I need to start working on the enemy attacking behavior. Let me see. Let me think. Is Dizzy Man gonna make music for this? No, I don't even know if I should include music, to be honest. I don't think we should include music. This game is meant for the browser, for when your internet is down. Which part of it was expensive? Oh, I was just talking about how the draw sprite tout was apparently pretty expensive. Apparently, I might have to look at it again. I think that function in general is expensive. Ah. Have you had that problem as well? Like encounter like expensive drawing functions? I think stuff like draw a rectangle and draw line is also very expensive. I used it for the scan lines. I used it for the scan lines. Maybe I can remove the scan lines. I will if I need that performance. Otherwise, I will not. I mean, so far I've tested on Opera. It seems fine. Right? It seems fine, right? Look at that. It's not lagging or anything. Look at the bullets. Alright, it's still moving pretty smoothly. Look at that. I'll leave this running for a bit, and we'll see how much the game can take. Bum 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 bum. Scan lines? Oh, here. Do you see the lines getting drawn across the screen? Yeah. I use scan lines to have that effect. I feel like every stream Amanda is always mocking me. Why you do that, Amanda? Why? But she's right. It's like my signature. Yes, I used it in Jump Juboa, but to a lesser extent. So it was only in the background for Jump Juboa, not in the foreground. It was definitely in Serious Scramblers. It was very prominent in Serious Scramblers. And for this one, I did a little something different. I made the scan lines be of a different resolution compared to whatever's in the background. Number of times. Number of times to move before attacking. She's mocking me again. Help me, people. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Look at that, it's bloody smooth, right? I shouldn't have to worry. What's wrong with running it in VM? I don't get it. Why was it so inconsistent on the VM? Did I just wasted half an hour profiling something I shouldn't need to profile? What? Why is this? Why is VM? What's the difference? I need to test it again, right? Once I'm off stream. I want to see if it has to do with the streaming. I want to see if it has to do with streaming. Update Yellow Gear. Oh, Yellow Gear has no scan lines. You're right. How can I not have scan lines in Yellow Gear? Hey, Albert! Hello, Albert. How's it going, man? When are we gonna meet up? I want to play our game. See, there's no performance issue here. Right, and I'm spawning a crap ton of UFOs. I think it's something about VM. So many questions. Okay, fine. I'll not think about it anymore. You know that lingering question, like, oh, what's causing the lag? It's making me unable to focus on the rest of the game. But I think I can let it go now. All right. Okay. That's. Why I did not add scan lines in the yellow gear? I never felt the need to. Doing good. Hey hey. Oh Albert, let me show you my jump jaboa. Just give me a moment. I'm still working on it. It's actually available for playtesting on the iOS already, as well as Android. I have not publicized it yet, but I will at some point. What's the actual date for this? This. There you go. Is the game? Jump gaboa. Oh, let me show you something. Clear data. Hang on, I think the audio broke. Let me run it again. That happens when I do clear data sometimes. For some reason. I need to look into that. Hey, wait! No, it's not the audio did not break. It's my volume mixer. Hang on. Oh my god, the silence. I can't take it. No, the audio is just not there. What the hell? Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Oh, damn it. Now I have another thing to worry about. Damn it! Scuffed. So, but what are your plans? So like you when you're showing stuff. This happens so many times. Okay, I think it's the problem is with this build. This build might be a bit problematic. It's okay. Just for peace of mind, right? I would like to run my game from Game Maker. Just want to see that the audio did not break, you know. I was still working on this yesterday. I think it should be fine. You've only seen the videos I posted on Facebook. Oh, right. Oh, my devlogs? The devlogs? Yeah, I have to force myself to make devlogs. It's pretty time consuming. And I realize I'm really bad at reading stuff off a script. I have trouble doing it. Okay, let's run the game. Josiah hasn't meowed for dinner. Requires good discipline. That's true, man. That's a game. There we go. So the audio is there. Where is the introduction cutscene? Where you play as a Joboa. Alright. Show this button for you to break out of. Run off the stage. And the game starts. Alright, so I think I'm fairly close to release. Like I just need to put in the monetization. But it's all here. Yeah, but I think you have seen this part already, right? This is all in my devlog. No, a jaboa is a jaboa. Jaboa is a kind of animal. Let me show you how a jaboa looks like. Jaboa. Wait, Kawasawa say something? For your devlog, you could do it more like you, where you have an outline of what you want to talk about and then freestyle it. So it feels. Oh, yeah, but Kawasawa, I don't have your. What do you call that? I don't have your mastery of the language. Like for me, it's really hard. You can tell, right, just from the way I talk. Sometimes I stutter, right? I repeat certain words a lot of times. Um, right, I pause a lot. So that's how I sound if I freeform it. Yeah, I'm not able to do it like you. Yeah, I noticed you do it like really well, like very smooth. Sounds very professional and all. I have trouble doing it like that. Ah, this is Joboa. There you go. Oh, let me put the music back on. Cool, right? Like the thing is, I originally intended for it to be a cat, but then I feel like there are a lot of people who make games about cats already. So I thought I'll just do something else. Right, and Joboa starts with a J, you see. Right, and the game is about jumping, so it's a natural fit. That's what editing is for. Right, right. You gonna rage on this game like you did on Serious Scramblers. Yeah! Was I googling what animal start with J? Yes, I was. Yes. That's how I found out it's called a Joboa. It wasn't some grand vision about like me trying to make a game specifically about Joboa. It just so happens that the name starts with a J, you see. And then end result is smooth, but the recording isn't. End result is smooth, but the Kawazo, do you intend to resume making devlogs? Let you know when it's out. Oh yeah, I will. I'll let you know. But the PC version won't be out for quite a while. I'm gonna release it on mobile first, and then slowly patching content to it. And then when I'm done with the content patches, I will make the PC port. Yeah, while I work on the new project. Maybe one day. You can talk about your engine development adventure. I think you should be able to stream from your phone. Oh, nice. What phone do you use? Do you use a iPhone or an Android phone? Yeah, I cannot replicate the bug. I'm Android. Okay, got it. Samsung S9 quite old. That's worth testing on. Are you sure it's the pause that caused the problem? Sorry, what was I gonna do again? Oh, right. I remember now. They thought I have paused because I drew them. What? I have paused? Look at that. It's shaking now. Look at that. You test again next. Oh, okay, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I really do. Move to, there we go. This one. I'll set it here. Move before attack. I think I can remove move count. And then I would do like I random. I random range. I need to check I random range. What's the range? Is it exclusive range? Exclusive, inclusive, half open range? What is it? Inclusive, got it. Inclusive, inclusive. Inclusive. Two. No, one. One. One to three. It was weird when you found out I streamed on Twitch yesterday. The person who told you was a complete stranger. Oh, what are the chances, man? Small world. Small world. Maybe the person is a Singaporean as well. Maybe that's why. Right, because like our game dev scene is so small here in Singapore. Everyone knows everyone. I see. The person knew Chow, right. I mean, let's face it, like, there's only so many indie developers in Singapore, right? And how many of us actually stream? There's not many. Move before attack. I really want to play your game, man. How do I pronounce the name of your game, by the way? Demimon. I'm also another Degen streamer. What's Degen? Degenerate? What did you call me? Demimon is fine. Ah, okay. Demimon. Move before attack. I think I can do a minus here. Oh, I stream crazy late. I think you do it much later, right? Like, what time do you end last night? Goodness. Move before attack. Aha. You usually end at 3 AM. Wow. And then at 5 AM? What the hell, man? What's that? That's not healthy. Okay, if it's equals to less than or equals to 0, I'm gonna go to attack. How's that? Attack? No, not attack, shoot. I'll do a shoot first. You can come on my stream on Friday where I rages at the game. Am I that prone to raging? I hope not. Fingers crossed, please. Okay. Hey, dang! Oh, everyone is here. The Pixel Studio gang is here. Come on, man. Not Pixel Studio, GSC, right? GSC, Game Solution Center. And we are all here. Hello, ding. Oh, Kalazor, if you're here, ding Ding writes his own engine for his game that he shipped. It's called the Neo Impossible Bosses. I haven't seen Ding stream in a long time though. Are you still doing it, Ding? You're not here. How do I do this part? I'll just code it in here like that. Ding wrote his engine in C++, right? I met with Ding. What's your rendering? What rendering API do you use? Is it OpenGL or DirectX? Custom engine using libraries from multiple open source projects, but not the main ones. DirectX, got it. What do you use for windowing, by the way? SDL? For windowing and input. I was just wondering, I'm wondering like, what do you prefer? So I have not done stuff like that in like so long. Move before attack. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Please, Amanda. You wrote your own windowing. Oh, it's Windows only. I got it. I see. Yeah, Ding is hardcore, man. Ding wrote his own physics library as well. Did his own networking. Crazy, man. Move before attack. Okay, let's do the attack then. Oh. Shoot. That's right, shoot. You should know you worked with him. Albert uses Unity. The thing is, when I play your game, right, it feels pretty complete to me, Shoot, enter. Sorry, where am I? Shoot. Ah, right, I need to bring up my pixel edit. So I have the movement done, I just need to, do the shooting. No, I should go to wait. Wait before attack, right? Wait before attack. Let's do that. Such a long name. Goodness. Okay, wait before attack. In that... Yeah, then I wouldn't need to... Let me think. Yeah, okay, then I don't need to put this here. Other people found so many bugs, really? You keep forgetting Who are you talking to, Ding or me? You keep forgetting you tried my game before. Me? I have. I went to your place to play your game. With Mark. People in the chat say it looks like that was early this year, was it? Was it early this year? I thought it was pre-pandemic. It was pre-pandemic, right? Maybe you just want to be your own protagonist. You know what that means, Albert? People are saying that you are the edgy type. Oh damn, I'm not making progress, hang on. Move update, move update. Wait before attack, got it. Wow, such a long name, that's not good. Da, 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 da. Got a job now, progress is slow. Yeah, I feel the same. Like my progress is also significantly slower once I take on like 2 teaching jobs. But what choice do we have? We gotta live our life. Dude in title screen handsome. What are you talking about, Albert? You good looking man, you? Alright, let me just add this in. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'll be off at 8, I think. I need to go at 8. Wait. Before attack. This name is way too long. Never mind. Da, 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 da. Disturb? No, you're not disturbing me, man. I love the fact that you're here so we can talk. Yes, that's right. You can trust a dog's opinion. No, no one's disturbing me. I mean, I come on stream for a reason, right? Like, I come on stream for this, yeah. To work while discussing stuff. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! I should find more of these audio clips. Oh right, there's a cooldown. Yeah. There's a cooldown. What time is it? Okay, 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes. how do people work so fast, I wonder, you know? Like, they have an idea in mind, right? And then they can execute it really quickly. I don't have that ability, I realize. Labs. I stream almost every day? No, I don't. I stream like... When I'm teaching, I stream only on like what? For this semester, I stream on Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yeah, that's not every day. Yeah, but that changes every semester, depending on my schedule. Hardworking? No, Friday is a gaming stream, so... So by right, it's only 4 days. I should get Albert to join Sunday Dev Chat. Yeah. Albert, you should join us. Find one of these days. So this for this week, Amanda is joining us. There's no such thing as a fake game dev, come on. If you're making a game, then you know, it's alright to call yourself a game dev. Right? No. No one's a fake game dev here, right? If you're making a game, you're not fake. Come on, you use GameMaker. What? I use GameMaker. I like GameMaker. Okay, wait before attack. Wait time. Attack wait time. Attack wait time. Feels a bit scuffed to write it like this. 1 second. Oh, you only want to be called that when you have a game out? I played your game and it felt like almost feature complete. So you're really close, man. Real game. Kalazar is doing it on purpose. Kalazar is doing it on purpose. What's with Kalazar and Amanda always trying to trigger me? Please, Albert, you are a real game dev. Like, I mean, the amount of work you have in that game is crazy, right? And you're one person. It's crazy. It's crazy. You know, I look at my stuff, like, I can only release stuff that is like very small, right? I have trouble releasing a big thing by myself. So, you know, I really admire like the scope of the game that you have. Elapse more than equals attack wait time. A real game that finishes their games. I mean, it's a matter of time, right, Kalazor? You will finish your game. It's a matter of time. Actually, you have released a game before, right? You've done some game jams, you know? That counts? That also counts. Okay. MFSM dot change state. It does not count? What? Oh, You're being tough on yourself. 132. Go to shoot. For now, I'll just go straight to shoot. Oh damn, after this I still need to go back to grading. Damn it. And then I have work tomorrow morning. Oh damn it, damn it. Can I finish this in time, I wonder? You have never finished a game? But you have, right? The game jams all the music that you make. Finishing making one by yourself. Ah. You're interested to do that? A good thing is that the barrier of entry is so low now. Oh, what's up, Albert? What's up? How can I help you? So DigiPen student in your stream. Oh, okay. He's currently studying? Shoot, enter. You think DX is teaching her? Oh! Small world. So DX is teaching her at the moment. You're gonna direct all the game dev people here? Oh, what? Say what? Well, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But I'm sort of just doing this like for myself. I'm using this as a way to force myself to work because I have a tendency of of getting like procrastinating, right? Yeah, I do that. So if I stream my development, right, I'm forcing myself to work. Shoot enter, shoot enter. Oh yeah, I know why I'm stuck. I have not done the mockup for it, so I don't even know how I should proceed. Same man, yeah. So that's the problem, huh? I have a problem. I do not know how to. Okay, the player bullet is this color, so I shouldn't have the same color, right, for the enemies. Enemy bullet. How should I do this? Maybe I'll break the rules a bit, right? Just add a new color in there. The yellow is a bit hard to read. Okay, I'll change it. I'm so bad at colors. What should I do? So I want my burger to be firing bullets like this. Right, and then the player will have to avoid them. Oh, lighter blue? Sure, let's go. And the thing about the outlines, should I even have outlines for it? How about darker outlines? There you go. Oh, freak. My UFO, I mean. My burger style UFO. Let's see if I... Okay, this one is a bit out of place, right? Oh freak, it looks so terrible. Point of the outline is to make the object pop out from the background better, so that it reads better. How should I go about this bullet though? Like, if I want to fire this bullet out, like this. So I have been keeping to this color scheme here. 1, 2, 3. This color palette, primarily 4 colors, right? But then I added a few shades here and there. This yellow is hard to read, right? Because the color is too close to the background. Oh, let me think. How should I do it? You're planning on hiring voice actor. Does that mean your game has quite a bit of dialogue? The white might work. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll try this first. I'll make the ball a little bit smaller so it doesn't look that awkward. Oops. I'll make the ball a bit smaller. Something like that. This small. Oops. I think the funny thing is the way this is, the outline and the colors go against everything else in the scene. Or maybe that's fine. Maybe that makes readability so much easier. I'll just use this first and then we'll see how I can tweak it later. There we go. I'll call this enemy bullet. That's what I'll call it. Enemy bullet. Enemy bullet. Where am I? Enemy bullet. Localization. Really? Really, Albert? Wow. Thanks, man. I am. That meant a lot. Thanks, man. When you play serious scramblers, you have no issues with the. You just. Oh. Thanks, man. Although in my case, it takes a while to reach a point where I'm more or less okay with the presentation of the game. So I do a lot of like iterations. I've done stuff like I made something, and then I rest for the day, right? And I come back the next day and be shocked by how off-putting the art is sometimes. It takes quite a few iterations before I'm happy with the result. Okay, let me just import this bullet. It'd be like that. Oh damn, it's 8. I probably should go. Let me just import this and then I'll finish up the rest in the evening after I'm done grading. Oh man, so much to grade. Where's my bullet? Oh, there we go. Here's the bullet. Thanks for dropping by, Albert. I really appreciate it. Also, thank you, Ding. Or thank you, everyone. So, just a quick recap. Let me run it in Opera GX. Finally ending stream on time. Yeah, man. Finally ending stream on time. This is dinner time. So I'm doing this little game jam for the Opera GX jam. Yeah, I'm in the process of working on the gameplay. Alright, so I have these ships that's moving around, and their movement is defined by this area here, this red box that I put in here. And yeah, so they move around, but they don't attack yet. So when they are supposed to attack, right, they just stay still. So I'm going to do the attacking portion. Yeah. After that, right, I will have to work on writing more rules for the spawner. Otherwise, they will just keep spawning non-stop without a limit, and that can be problematic in the long term. And that's about it. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much. I will end it here, and let's see. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, finally. Oh yeah. Alright. Thanks, everyone. I'll be off for dinner, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye. Thanks again, Albert.